Let's take a closer look at OrderCentral software and how it works in practice.
Hey friends, welcome back. We are going to record the session how to receive payment in cash and check in OrderCentral software. So to understand the payment types basically. So what is cash payment and what is check payment? Simple cash payment, the payment made using physical money in the form of notes and coins. Let's take example. Customer buy goods for 500 rupees and give you cash of 500. This is the cash transaction, but check payment is different. Payment made using a check issued from a bank account. It is called check payment. Customer gives a check of rupees 5,000 instead of cash. This is linked to a bank account. Need to deposit into the bank. Bank will take 1 to 2 to 3 days to clear it and credit to your account. Okay, so let's go to OrderCentral and let's understand how this two type of transaction works into OrderCentral and how you can manage your cash in hand and how you transfer your check into the bank accounts. Let's go to OrderCentral. So friends, I am into OrderCentral. Let's go to sales. The window will remain same, payment receipt. Okay, but before that let's go to two different window, cash and bank, cash in hand. So if you get a receipt of cash payment, the transaction will come here and display the list of all the cash type transaction. Okay, similarly we have check. While receiving the payment, if you do the transaction for check, all the check details is come and display here. So let's see how the cash transaction happen. We'll go to sales, go to payment, we'll select the same customer, invoice number. So we have 5580 pending. Let's go to payment type. So bank transfer, UPI and credit card, these all are online payment. This will directly come to your designated bank account. So same like bank transfer, we can select UPI and credit card. Okay, but now I am going to show you cash payment. Suppose you have received 1000 for cash. If you want to maintain, you can display here cash, otherwise no need to book this transaction for cash. But I would request you can manage your account efficiently, put here cash. Select the bank you are going to deposit, HDFC. Let's say 1000 you have received as a cash, partially cash received from customer. Okay, you can click on post. Payment posted successfully in the system. Now let's go to cash and bank. First go to all payments. You can see in the all payments window a second transaction is came, which is type of cash. Okay, now since this is a cash transaction, this will not go directly to bank, this will come into your hand first. So a new entry of cash you can see here. If you want to deposit this cash into your bank account, then you have an option here, transfer to bank. Suppose you go to bank or you send someone and ask to deposit this much amount, so that you can do that. Otherwise you can utilize the same cash into your different work or any other activities, like some expenses, some cash expenses into your business. Let's say I want to transfer this, otherwise keep it as it is, but let's see the transfer to the bank and let's see the impact. ASAP you click on the transfer to bank, a dialog will open. You have to select the bank, let's say HDFC, and click transfer to bank. Payment posted successfully in the system. Okay, now you can see is transfer is no, so refresh it and this will display now it is transferred to yes. Now go to all bank and click on transaction. You can see a third entry, cash type entry, which will display 1000 deposit and your closing balance is running side by side. Now we are going to receive a check entry. Go to same payment in, let's go to select a customer, let's go to select invoice, select the payment type of check, put check number something, select a bank, this is your bank. Let's say we have received 2000 rupees check, partial payment with check. Post the entry. If you go to all payments, sorry, you can see here a payment of check. You can see here you have received. Now go to the cash and bank and click on check. So a new entry will come into your check. This will give you information. This check is you come from your customer. The sales order against this check number is transferred to bank. No, payment type check, date, amount, status not paid, and it's not clear yet, partial payment. So once it's clear to the bank, amount will credit to your designated bank account. So this actual entry happened into your actual bank account, but you have to maintain the account, so you have to post the entry into your software. So click on transfer to bank, select your bank and transfer and refresh it, so you can see is transferred to bank is yes. Okay, now cash and bank, all bank, click on transaction. You can see here last entry, your check is cleared and amount is deposit and your closing balance is this. Okay, now we are going to receive one more payment for UPI. Okay, so let's say UPI pending is 2580. Let's see UPI transaction, select bank and 2580. Okay, full settle, post, payment posted. Now since this is the online mechanism, it will directly come to your all bank. Click on transaction. You can see the last entry, UPI payment 2580 and your closing balance. So this way you can manage your entries and also manage your bank transactions side by side. Okay, now look at the sales order. You can see there is no balance pending, total amount, everything you received and full settle is done. Now if you want to hide this entry, you can click here. Okay, so this is how financially impact from a sales order creation to invoice generation and payment receipt is happen into the OrderCentral. I hope you understand the steps. If you have still any doubt, you can reach out to us. You can email us on support@ordercentral.in. Thank you.